All right, guys, we are back here at MG Mandaue, MG Cebu, under Genesis Motors Corporation. Sana tayo dito. Chip, maing hapon. Hapon, sir. All right. Al. Hapon, may hapon. Mayo, nakabalik na yun. So guys, we are back here sa MG Cebu, Mandaue. And si Sir Al. Al?
Hi sir, good afternoon.
Okay, so kasi si Sir Ariel, kaya yun mga magaling, kinukuha sa mga
Mabibigat, mga brand.
mabibigat na mga responsibilities. So ayan, by the way, so I'll grab this opportunity na i-congratulate si Sir Ariel. So andito ngayon si Sir Al, siya yung mag-cater from now on sa mga maintenance and mga queries about the unit. So, ikaw na ba sir ang sa kuan?
Sa akin sir, either or si Monico sir.
Monico.
Ah,
Okay. So, kamong duha. So, inana yung kadaghan ng MG?
ano sir, so far, naghanagin.
Okay, so
Especially sa...
meron silang electric vehicle na guys. So, yun Nakikita nyo yun? Meron ng electric department doon. So, meron daw charging station. Ayan. So, ito yung unit ko. Due for 7th PMS. 7th PMS, so that would be 70,000 kilometers or 3.5 years.
Muna ito ang estimated for the preventive maintenance.
Okay.
Especially include na itong kanya car wash and vacuum.
Okay. Sige. So for the 7th PMS or 70,000 kilometers guys. So yung papalitan lang is engine oil. Ito, oil filter, seals at saka drain plug. Alright. So, by the way, pwede pa check lang if ever sa status ako ang spark plug.
Pwede.
Kaya somehow, nakabantay ko nga murag ambot mo kurog. So, kana lang. I think, wala naman siguro. Basta importante, ma-PMS guys. Kasi importante to para sa warranty na 5 years. So as you can see in my previous videos, sulit na sulit yung mga warranty claims ko kasi dito lang talaga ako sa casa nagpapa-maintain. Ito guys, fully converted na to lahat for MG. Kasi nag-expand na sila. Ganun ka dami na yung MG dito sa Cebu. So para sa mga ka-club ko, we are also encouraging them to keep their PMS here sa casa para to keep their warranty. At the same time, started last year, kahit you are from the other dealership, you can have your unit serviced here at Mandaue. Proven and tested na mas marami silang parts at saka mas maganda yung reviews. So ayan. So I will just leave my unit and then dito nakalagay guys, estimated time 1 hour. So,
Sir, pwede mahirapan sir. Checklist ko muna yun.
Sige. Yun pala. I-check muna nila yung unit.
Checklist ko muna sa
para maganda yung turnover. Okay, so, ang kintab, no? Grabe. Ayan. So, pinapaandar para makita kung meron bang mga busted na mga ilaw, mga malfunctions. After that, pwede nating iwan yung unit. Ayan. Tinitiken ng picture. Medyo malinis yung unit natin kasi araw-araw to naliligo eh. So the last time I went here was when I did my insurance claim para sa body repairs. So very sulit. So if you have insurance claim, dito rin. Marami silang parts. Especially sa warranty. Mas marami silang parts dito and mas mabilis yung pagkuha ng unit. And by the way, i-check man tong battery, no?
Yes sir.
So far, wala pa mo hard start, ana. Kato lang, battery o katong spark plug.
Ang brakes naman yun.
Oh, tara, kita ka na, nailinya, oh. Kana lang yun siguro yung brake pads na siguro na yung nakuha nga bato.
Sikat to, bansud.
Oh.
Sige lang sir.
Okay. So, mga to.
Sige.
Napa ko'y permano, niya na lang.
Kaya sir.
Okay.
Hindi mo ko sa record order. Naka-ilis yung spark plug sir, bago pa yung spark plug. Which is March 31, 2022.
2022, last year.
Last year, mo.
Pila din nakatuig?
Most likely yung 2 years or 3 years.
Ah, di ay?
Mm.
Ah, okay, sige, sige. Maayo noon kay. Pero wata kay baba, basig nalay kuan. Ilisanan. So ayan guys, we are done here. At babalikan na natin yung unit mga after an hour. Ayan. Ciao, thank you. Ah.
Thank you sir, welcome. Ingat.
So si Sir Al, si Monico. So sila na yung magiging ano natin, mga service crew. So padayon niyo po guys, MG. Alright? Thank you sir. Thank you. Shout out guys. See you later.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, we are back. Yan. Sir. By the way, itong MG is now under the Psych Motor Philippines Incorporated. So from the manufacturer na talaga to. Okay, okay.
Cashier ka?
Sige. Bayad time guys kasi meron tayong babayaran. Pwede na credit card means? And guys, mabilis lang yung PMS. I think less than 2 hours. Medyo na traffic lang. So ayan. We are here para sa bayad. Thank you. Alright, we're good to go. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Ayan guys, oh. Alright, done with the 7th PMS.
Yeah.
Sir Al guys ha, starting now, si Sir Al na yung hahanapin natin at saka si Sir Monico. Yan, partner sila guys. So, eto, good for another 6 months. So again, thank you MG Cebu. Thanks to the service crew. Sir Al, thank you. Alright, God bless guys. God bless, thank you. God bless. Stay safe, drive safe.